The ATX 22 Type S is the boat. It's the boat that catches your eye across the water. It's the boat that goes all out and unleashes some serious swells. It's the boat that gives you more value, storage, and all-around good times. The 22 Type S is the boat you've been looking for. The 22 Type S is ready to throw down no matter which sport you throw at it. Just push go and the 22 Type S will automatically dial in ocean-worthy waves, massive wakeboarding wakes, or a flat slalom wake. The Go system powered by TAPS 3T will have you riding in seconds. Just push go and your wave will automatically be set up for you. TAPS 3T, meaning 3 tons of pressure, the patented Convex V Hull, and 3,000 pounds of ballast will ensure that your day on the water is epic and effortless. The 22 Type S is high on tech and high on style. Enjoy a clean dash design with an LED-lit pocket for extra storage, and the ATXperience touchscreen to the right of the wheel, just where you want it. Behind the ATX Sport Wheel are the optional smart controls, which allow you to use the controls of your touchscreen without your hands ever having to leave the steering wheel. The recline captain's chair reclines, slides, and has a bolster, all standard on an ATX model. Other favorites include the switch system, InCharge phone holder, RearView camera, Bluetooth connectivity, and the ATX keyless ignition. The 22 Type S has the perfect combination of style and comfort. Each seating configuration was purposefully designed with your crew in mind. Step into your comfort zone with the standard reversible bench and built-in transom seats, or take it up a notch with the optional transom transformation package, all of which are unprecedented for the value segment. No matter which spot you choose, maximum comfort always comes standard in an ATX. With industry-leading lounging and storage space, the 22 Type S gives you the room you want with the details you love. When it comes to functional layouts, we became ingeniously inventive. Every space has been mapped and calculated, so there's plenty of room for everyone's gear. The ATX air shelves allow you to keep your gear out of sight, and Cockpit clutter-free, conveniently located in the transom compartment. It's amazing how much you can fit in an ATX, but what's even more awesome is the memories you'll get out of it. The 6.2-liter closed-cooled ATX engines by InCharge load you up with the perfect balance of torque and a smooth, relaxed ride, no matter how hard you push it. Closed cooling is critical for quality of ownership and even resale. It keeps lake water out of your engine, maintains consistent engine temperatures, better fuel economy, performance, and eliminates corrosion, all of which leads to longer engine life. And yes, closed cooling is standard. ATX's gas shock-assisted tower is next level in style and functionality. Package up the shock tower with the board storage bimini and enjoy over 8 feet of unmatched sun and rain protection. Our thoughtful engineering makes it easy to go, easy to load, and easy to stow. To sound the best, you must offer the best. That's why we partner with Wet Sounds to crank up our tunes. You can load your ATX all the way up on audio, or just keep it simple. It's sound you have to hear to believe. So turn it up and let the good times roll. Now it's time for you to experience an ATX for yourself. See the 22 Type S today at your local ATX dealer.